How to fix Facebook Messenger not working. So if you have any problem with the Messenger in your phone, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find every single app you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then search right here for Messenger like this, and then click on force stop and go to the permissions. Make sure that all these permissions are enabled like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it easily and fast. That's it. Don't forget to like,